Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I'm making lemon berry muffins.
This recipe includes AP flour, baking powder, milk, lemons, green apples, sugar, avocado oil, salt, and frozen berries. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. First, let's start on making the applesauce since we don't have any eggs. Peel, core, and karate chop 200 grams of green apples and combine them with 2 tablespoons of water in a pot over medium heat. Cover and let it simmer, and once the apples are soft, mash them. Now get a bowl and mix in 1 3/4 cups of AP flour, 3/4 cups of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now the wet ingredients. Get your half a cup of applesauce, 1/3 cup of lemon juice from fresh lemons, 1/3 cup of avocado oil, 1/3 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of lemon zest and mix. Now combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. And after that, gently fold in the 1 cup of frozen berries. Get your muffin cups on a tray and spray them with cooking spray, and then fill them up about 2/3 full with the batter. Then bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Once taken out of the oven, let them cool for 10 minutes in the pan, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely for another 10 minutes. Also, if you're wondering how to say lemon berry muffins in Spanish, it's Muffins de limón y bayas. Alright, I got my muffin. I'm gonna try it now and I won't cap. These are so good. These have so much lemon and the berries really give it a nice and fruity flavor. And I really called it this time when I said to use applesauce. It really makes these muffins moist and a little jelly. Applesauce is a really good substitute if you don't have any eggs. When making muffins, you'll always gotta have some fluffiness. So, that's the best solution. And I'm gonna tell you this, if you were to eat these right now, you would have never guessed that I used applesauce as the secret. And just looking at the inside, you already know that you're gonna enjoy these muffins. Si le das un muffin a un alce, ya sabes lo que pasaría.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.